So the M5 has its wheels off because they're gonna go for a cleanup and a little powder coat. So that'll be a surprise what we're doing there. I mean, it's nothing crazy. It's just not going like gold and green. Off we go. Off we go to see Lallo. So I'm going standard, but my man Lallo here, we're gonna do, well, I'm not gonna show you, I'll show you when the car is done. But wheel fixers here in OKC, man, they got a killer selection. Great samples, good service. So they're fixing one of the wheels in the 550i that's cracked. And now they're gonna do these M5 wheels. So we'll see what they look like. Thank you, man. Picking up the wheels. Lallo did an amazing job. I'm not gonna show you what they look like till they're on the car, but this one's off the 550 and this had a break on the edge and we got that all fixed. So this one will go back on. We're gonna get these back to the shop, get them on the M5, and then I'll show you the color. But unbelievable job, unbelievable job. I'll put all the This thing is they take the wheels, they take the tires off the wheels, road force balance, whatever you need right there, and then they put it in the